Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I am back with another taste test. These are Joyride little gummy snacks, and I tried some Joyride snacks on the podcast, I would say a little while back, but I saw these on Amazon, and I had to buy them because they are berry gummy guppies. So this is Joyride's answer to Swedish Fish, and I ordered them. They came in the mail crushed, just so you know, but I'm sure that it may have just crushed the box and not crushed the flavor, at least I'm hoping. Again, these look exactly like red Swedish fish, and they have 0 sugars per serving and only 80 calories for a bag. So the whole bag has 80 calories, and they do have a lot of fiber, like a lot of these gummy sugar-free candies. 18 grams of fiber, and it's made with soluble corn fiber, allulose, blah, blah, blah. Lots of things you probably can't pronounce. But if you want a low sugar or no sugar little Swedish fish option, look at that. It looks like a Swedish fish. It's very skinny. It's a guppy, so it's not a fish. I like how clever that is. It's like a skinny fish, which is a guppy. Trying these. Soft texture. It's gonna get stuck in my teeth, but it's soft and tasty. Tastes like berries. I would not say it has a classic Swedish fish flavor. It doesn't, but I like it. It's nice, satisfying. Again, 0 sugar and 0 protein and 0 fat, 40 carbs, but all of that fake fiber takes those carbs away. So there you go. How many net carbs? 9. All right. Well, these are Joyride Guppies in a crushed box. I hope you enjoyed them. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.